Omaha State. This is Agnes. Are you calling to place an order?
Yes, you hung up on me earlier.
I don't believe so.
This is Hector.
Can I help you with now?
Yes. What are you saying?
Okay. Can I get your telephone number, Edgar?
You have a bad connection. Mijo, I'm losing you. I'm
Can I get a telephone number, Edgar?
Call me back. Wait, what are you saying? I don't understand.
Can I get your telephone number, please?
Huh? Two 252.
Can I get your telephone number?
252.
Okay, can you repeat that one more time?
252.
Okay.
Oh.
And have you ordered with us before?
No.
Okay. And can I get your name, please?
My name is Hector Gladstone.
Did you say Edgar or Hector?
This is Hector.
Darth Vader.
This is Hector.
Oh, Hector.
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 Yes.
Okay. And your address, billing address?
2520. Captain Mark, Eliana.
What's your street, though? The house number and the street address?
7072. Saudi Arabia, Air Force, Georgia. 57072.
You're giving me part of your phone number, though.
No.
So it's 77072.
That is correct.
Okay. And what's the street?
What is the origin of this call?
You called us Omaha State.
I keep getting calls from this lady that wants to meet me, wants to see me, and then I call back, and it doesn't happen.
Sir, you called Omaha State in order for food.
I just happened to get up to the bathroom and the phone rang. You called me.
No, you had called that, sir.
Mijo, it's 3 o'clock in the morning where I live at. Who the hell are you looking for, buddy?
Are you wanting to place an order, or do you want this connected to this call?
Do you have a Facebook page?
Okay, sir. I'm going to connect to this call. You have a wonderful night.
Shit. You're a low life. You're a fucking low life. You probably stink like your fucking ass.